Hi guys, CMAT exam, everything is given on CMATking.com/CMAT. So Bajaj, Sidnam, Sumaya, Velinkar, going through management, lot of B school accept CMAT score. You can check out the list there on CMATking.com/CMAT. So here we're going to set the target. For example, in Milkha Singh, the target was set for him for achieving that. Same way you have to do the hard work. So there are 30 chapters in the CMAT exam. 10 marks you have to give for CMAT preparation. 10 is sufficient. And support of taking my strategies and shortcuts. Increase your speed, focus, because CMAT is, again, you have to find that. Shortcuts we have to find for the exam. And target score for you is 300. The magic number is 300. If you're getting 300 plus, you are getting a good score. So for exact cutoff, go to CMATking.com/CMAT for JB, Sidnam, Sumaya, all the college cutoff. You will find out there. And in case you want to join our program, you can call the numbers given in the description box. Alright, all the best.